It shouldn't be that hard to create the perfect YouTube thumbnail. Hi guys, my name is Umi and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make that wonderful thumbnail and for free. You don't have to pay and the apps are free. So stick around and I hope you learn a thing or two from this video. Head over to your Safari or whatever browser you're using and type in removebg.com. Then upload the picture you want to work with. Then you download it when the background has been taken away. The next thing you want to do is get the background that you want to work with. So for this video, I want a pink background and I got that. The next place you're going to head to is your CapCut. I believe everybody has that app. As a YouTube creator, it should be your best friend. So I'm going to first start by taking the pink background. Then I'm going to change the aspect ratio and put it to 16.9, which is the standard size for a YouTube video. So when that is done, I'm going to crop it and make it bigger, like to cover the whole screen. And then I'm going to head on to saturation, to HSL, and play around with the saturation. And I want to get the saturation to be at 100 because the video pops more at 100. So when I'm done with that, then I want to import that fine picture that I removed its background. So I'm going to tap on overlay and bring in the picture. When that is done, I'm going to adjust it to taste. So you want to adjust your video, your picture. You want to adjust your picture to taste however you want it. And when that is done, the next thing I did is to do that same stuff that I did with the background, which was to go to HSL and adjust the saturation. So I'm leaving the saturation at 68. Yes, you can see the color changing. You can see it getting better and getting more crisp. That is the word. So now I'm going to also tap on overlay and bring in this CapCut icon that I screenshot from the internet. So now I'm going to adjust it and place it the way I want it, the place I want it, how I want it. You can basically play around with your own design. However you want it is how it's going to be. But bear in mind, when making your thumbnail, don't make it too busy. Like, you don't want your thumbnail to be clogged with too much. Just stick to the basic, stick to simplicity, and I'll see you at the top. So the next is putting the text I want, which is this, and I'm changing the background because I also want the background text to be very pronounced. I want everything that I'm putting there to be easily seen by my audience, which is what you should keep in mind when you're making your thumbnail. You want something that will catch your audience. You don't want them to see your thumbnail and not tap on it. You want them to tap on it. But that doesn't mean you should clickbait though. Don't clickbait. Is whatever is on your thumbnail should be what's in your video content. Okay? You don't want to trick your audience. That can be very, very bad. So the next thing I'm putting here, the next thing I'm doing is to duplicate what I already have and then edit. So now I have YouTube thumbnail tutorial and I want to change the tutorial. I want to change the background. So I'm putting it to white. So you can see how pretty everything is at this point. So, and I hope you're learning a thing or two from this video. Like, you better be taking notes. And I hope you give this a trial. Like, you watch this and you try your own. Don't just watch and go away. Watch and practice. Watch and practice, and you're going to get better. Take it from me. You definitely are going to get better if you practice and practice. Okay. So when I'm done, now that I'm done, I'm downloading the video. It's in a video form. And y'all know that a thumbnail is a picture and not a video. Wait, have you subscribed? You haven't? Please subscribe. Please. I know you're enjoying this video, so kindly subscribe. Thank you. So, all you have to do now is to take a screenshot from the video. Take a screenshot and crop the picture. So that is what I'm doing now. And when you're cropping, make sure you don't do mistakes like exceed the line. Do you understand what I'm saying? So right after cropping, you now have that thumbnail for that your YouTube video. So you're welcome, and I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to tag me when you try this out. If you need tutorial on anything else, still let me know in the comments, okay? Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!